The Delhi High Court on Tuesday said that the Aam Aadmi Party government's entire system has failed as black marketing of oxygen cylinders and crucial medicines for treating COVID-19 patients is going on. A bench of Justices Vipin Sanghi and Rekha Palli observed it was not the time to become vultures. Are you aware of black marketing? Is it a good human gesture? The bench said to oxygen refillers. The bench further said this is a mess that the state government has been unable to resolve. Our confidence in you is shaken. Set your house in order. If you cannot manage, tell us. We will ask the central government to take over, the court said. The court also rapped the Arvind Kejriwal government for issuing impractical orders. Don't be unreasonable. You can't win this war by issuing such directions. Sitting in your office, you are only compounding your problems. You are living in a different world, out of sync on how hospitals are dealing with it. Why do you pass these orders? The judges' court said, while clarifying it has not made any request for creating COVID-19 facilities for its judges, staff and their families in a 5-star hotel. Terming the massive resurgence of COVID-19 cases a national crisis, the Supreme Court on Tuesday said it cannot remain a mute spectator and made it clear that its suo motu proceedings on devising national policy for COVID-19 management is not meant to supplant High Court cases. A bench headed by Justice D.Y. Chandrachud said that high courts are in a better position to monitor the pandemic situation within their territorial boundaries. There is a need for top courts' intervention on certain national issues as there might be matters related to coordination between the states. We are playing complementary role. If high courts have any difficulty in dealing with issues due to territorial limitations, we will help, said the bench, also comprising Justices L. Nageshwara Rao and S. Ravindra Bhatt. The Election Commission of India has banned on Tuesday all victory processions on May 2nd, both during and after the counting of votes. Poll results of 5 states will be declared on Sunday at a time when the country has been hit hard by the COVID-19 pandemic. No victory procession after the counting on 2nd of May 2021 shall be permissible. Not more than 2 persons shall be allowed to accompany the winning candidate or his or her authorized representative receive the certificate of election from the returning officer concerned. BJP Chief JP Nadda meanwhile has welcomed the move and tweeted that I have directed all state units of BJP to strictly adhere to this decision. All Karyakartas of BJP are using their energies to help the ones in need in this hour of crisis. The poll watchdog has faced flack from several quarters over holding of a month-long polling exercise in the middle of the pandemic. Microsoft's video conferencing platform Microsoft Teams is facing a global outage, the software giant confirmed earlier today. The issue started seemingly impacting users in the European region but later moved to other parts of Asia as well. According to the real-time downtime detector, the video conferencing platform started facing errors today at 4 p.m. and users are struggling to access both the app and the web client. According to user reports on the website, many are facing errors with login and server connection. Down Detector shows that Microsoft Teams reported over 401 error codes when attempting to access the service. Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar today dubbed pointless allegations that his government was tinkering with the data on COVID-related deaths in his state to suppress the overall figures. He said the focus in these difficult times must be on helping people battle the disease. The kind of situation we are in, we don't want to tinker with data. ML Khattar told reporters yesterday in Hisar. He was visiting the district to check on the condition of health facilities there. Referring to the 5 deaths in the district on Monday, allegedly due to a shortage of oxygen, he said the limitations of the available infrastructure must be taken into consideration. 5 COVID-19 patients died in a private hospital, with the hospital authorities attributing the deaths to the shortage of oxygen. The administration has denied this and ordered a magisterial probe. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier that we are doing now will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying rupees 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying rupees 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.